we're back in Florida, boys. Gonna head up the Homosassa River and ride it out to the Gulf. Check out the houses and the restaurants and Monkey Island, of course. Friends of my son Andrew own a house on a channel. They allowed us to launch there. Thank you very much. Nature's Resort. Yeah, it must have definitely been the tornado. And that's the Homosassa Zoo State Wildlife Center, right?
I don't think we'll be able to fit under that either way.
Yeah, we'd make that. I don't know what that is. Coming up on Monkey Island, they redid everything, and Florida Cracker and KC Crumps across the way, and MacRaes. I see one sitting on a tree.
Where?
Right there, look on my camera.
Oh.
What's up, monkey?
Me too.
Picking on it.
Florida Cracker. Had enough. Had enough of you tourists.
How you doing?
And there's KC Crumps. Crumps Landing. One of my favorite spots. Still. And there's MacRaes. Ooh, getting it. Getting it. He's punching that baby on there. The other side of Crumps.
Oh yeah, I can see through it.
I worked in there. They have like wooden spiral staircase going up.
Tide's coming in, fighting the current. Them guys just went ripping by. You can see how much the water's coming in.
big. And you know it, it's in between that middle piece and the other one.
Floating bait boat. He's baiting. Good idea. I think an ice cream boat would be a little better. Apparently, those power lines that come out a few miles go to that guy.
That used to be a whole restaurant.
Oh, it was a restaurant.
Yeah, now it's just a fishing cabin.
Well, I guess the restaurant paid to have the electric.
Steve's got a place.
Because it used to
There used to be docks. The restaurant was there.
Oh, looking at us like that's the one around here.
And the Gulf is out here, which we're technically on right now. We turn around, we'll do our voyage back inward, back into Homosassa. He ain't slowing down. Oh boy. Hey, he's moving. Must be hungry. Might be beer 30. Three floors. Someone's putting a new house up. Homosassa shrimp. Coming into Homosassa and River Haven Marina. Fish market. Jamming Eddie Money. Someone's singing Eddie Money. It's the battle of the bands. They got something going on over here too at Crumps. MacRaes versus Crumps. They got more of an island tropical theme going on. And here's the monkey bar. The cracker. Oh, the monkeys are out.
See a little head inside the building. There he is.
Yeah, that'll get a good shot of them. They telescope on that camera.
Check them things out. They're like 3 single wides with a little common area in between.
Literally looks like a yard.
Pretty wild.
I know, right? It's sinking.
On stilts. Homosassa water tower. Roof fell or something over there. Restaurant.
Pub and pizza on the road, remember?
Manatee Pub.
Yeah.
You can get there by boat.
I've never been there. I don't know.
Is it worth going in there?
I guess we can try. Just
Yeah, let's see. How far is it showing on the map?
What's that about? Like a quarter mile.
We can go, might as well. Manatee Campground Pub and Grill. Oh, check it out.
It's a cool little houseboat.
Yeah, look at that.
That is, that's kind of neat. It is like glass. There's no disturbance in here at all.
Now there is.
Well, now, yeah, you did it. That is a cool little houseboat right there.
Look at that little thing. How cute.
That is cool. That's old too.
Riviera.
Watch for manatees. What the heck is that place?
Bed and breakfast vacation rental.
Oh, it's a bed and breakfast vacation rental.
Fancy.
Geez, that is fancy. God, look like we're going into Jurassic
That's it.
Park or something. Oh, there it is. Pretty neat.
Might try that someday.
Yeah, definitely
Yeah,
have to
pool
try it
is a
someday.
Great place for something. I bet it's no fun at night here with bugs.
Oh yeah. Bet you mosquitoes are definitely crazy here at night. And we're coming back out to the main channel. Low bridge. Marguerita Grill right there.
I like them. We should probably go there.
Yeah, they're definitely good.
They're hard. You gotta hit it right because they're bugging is tough.
Yeah, they're always full up.
You used to go all the time. We were going out looking for cool places to go with the kids when we were younger. Why don't we go about fun spots like that?
I don't know. That's a cool campground. Nature's Resort. And they have like the year-round rentals too. Pretty cool campsites. Oh, he's got a radio jamming on his. They're both jamming out. Oh man, there's some more coming.
That's a two-seater in case Andrew.
Well, we got one first.
I'll get out.
They're all pretty much two-seaters, but oh yeah.
I'll just get one.
Yeah. I'm sure Andrew'd want to ride with us on that three-seater.
If I'm sitting up front, it doesn't make a difference to me.
They feed it.
These guys are definitely regulars, huh? What's that say? Oh, gee.
That's hilarious.
So my son Andrew knows someone that has a house that has a little launch that they let us use today, which was very nice. It's a nice slow ride back through the channel to their house. Some remnants of the hurricanes for sure.
That's wild.
That's a big route. Another one. Too bad we can't find like pirate treasure. Someone buried next to a tree and then it flipped up all gold. Another one. That's a cool route pattern.
Shoot the gap on this one.
Nah, you made it through before.
Yeah. Doink.
You sure? I wasn't paying attention when we went out.
Yeah, I got my map open.
Did you leave breadcrumbs?
Did you leave breadcrumbs? The fish are gonna eat all the
No.
breadcrumbs.
Huh.
Yeah, you can see all that. Like coral rock. Has nothing to attach itself to. It's pretty nice in here though.
Welcome to the jungle.
This is like being in that,
Safari ride.
well, the Homosassa Wildlife Park.
Coming up to people on a boat.
A couple bass.
Nice. Those are pretty cool. That's the smallest of the pontoons, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa. No, that's a good sized bass.
I know. I'm just messing.
That's a nice bass. Heck yeah.
Yeah, we went up to the spring.
A lot bigger than that in here, you said?
Swim around for a little bit. They were murky.
We moved in, I was fishing, I caught like a 5-pounder.
All that.
A 5-pounder you pulled out of here? Oh man.
I haven't caught it again since.
I guess I should have actually brought my, well, I got my pole, but I should have went fishing.
Yeah, those things
Every year they
suck.
come.
Oh yeah.
They almost killed her.
Yeah, you're saying they give off some kind of spray or something?
Something
Yeah,
cheap.
If they try to eat it, it's like a protective thing.
She was what, not even almost a year old?
Huh.
Something like that.
What an idiot. Oh, here come some people to tear it up. Yeah, literally, when I came in, I went across that little mud hole and across right exactly where they are.
Oh yeah.
I went exactly where he's going
Two-wheel
across.
drive. Why bother, huh?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.